How do you remove the zero in front of this number, or how do you add a plus sign to that number? It's really simple. We're going to do this using the help of ChatGPT. You just come to ChatGPT here and you give it this command, remove the zero in front of this number, and this is the output here. So you come to your Excel and then you paste it that way. The value A1, for our case we are using A2, so I'm going to change that to A2 and then hit enter. There you go. You have your numbers without the zero, and then you just need to drag and drop so that these numbers are replicated here. The next one is assuming you want to add a plus sign to this number. What do? Is you just come back here, and then this is the question that I've asked it. Add a plus in front of this number. So, and give me this as the output. So we just need to come back here. We have our numbers here, but let's first copy this number, paste it here, paste them as values that way. Perfect. And then we can delete this column here. Perfect. So we have our numbers in this format, and then we just need to put is equals, and then we come to the output we have, add a plus sign in front of this number, copy that, come here, paste that, and then which cell are you looking at? You're looking at cell D, this cell here. This is D2, so I'm going to change this to D2. D2 like that, enter. And our plus sign has been added, drag and drop. And then now you want to copy all of this, copy that, and then you want to replace this, delete that, and then paste as values only. There you go. Now we can get rid of all this. All right. And assuming you got your number in this format, what do you do with it? Again, using the power of ChatGPT, you come here, you put this command, format this number into this, and then it will give you the output. And then you copy the output, you come here, you just say is equals. For instance, this is our number here, control paste that. We are working with cell number 11, that is A11, that way, and enter. Let's see why we got an error. We have to is equal sign here. There you go. We have our number in the format we want, but I can see we are missing the 1. So we can just add the 1 here in the formula, and there we have it. So I'm working with just one number. If you have multiple numbers, you just highlight this, you drag all along and drop. So, and that will do the magic for you if you have multiple numbers. All right. So, assuming you want to run now a campaign in one of the best SMS and WhatsApp platform you'll come across, this one, Lazozia here, how do you add the contacts? So you just come to groups, and then you add group, give it a name, we call it button 22, submit. The group is going to be created. You're going to get a group ID here, and then you come here, you will replace this with 13. So everything here will be 13 that way. Let me put it in 2 cells like that, and then drag and drop. All right. So let's delete this first. All right. So we have our phone numbers, we have our group, and we have our name. Now we can come to our platform here. This is how it looks. You come to contacts, you come to groups, you create a group, and then you get a group ID. Come to Excel, you add your group there. Assume you have multiple groups, you just need to have a comma. Say you have another group 14. So, and you want to have these contacts in multiple groups, you can also do that. But for now, we are working with only one group. So let me delete that. Right. The next thing that you want to do is just ensure that everything is in text format. That way, ensure that everything is in text. So you just need to come to this plain text. Everything is in plain text, which is good that way. And then the next thing that you want to do is just click this, download as XLXX, hit download and save. Come to your platform here, and then we have the groups here. Let's see, we have the saved contact here. You come to import, choose file. Here we have it. There you go, submit. There you go, 6 contacts have been successfully uploaded. And assuming you don't have names, you don't have the names of these people, you just need to delete this section, but you need to have this header here. But this one, everything here will be empty. And then when you come to your platform, let me first delete this, confirm that, and then create a new group. Again, let me recreate it. There you go. We have a new identity, number 14. We change that to 14. 14. Scroll down here. That way, we leave this one blank, and then we download this again. I'm using Google Sheets. So you just download that in that format, you save that, and then you come here, and then you come to saved contact. You hit import, choose your file, open, submit. Boom, there you go. You have uploaded your contacts and they do not have names. So that's how you can do it. I highly recommend working with this platform. It's one of the best that you're going to see. And currently you're running a promotion. If you reach out to us, we're going to give you a discount, and it's quite robust. You send unlimited SMSs and WhatsApp messages anywhere in the world, no restrictions. Thank you and goodbye for now.